What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing the first ride and review of the 2024 Mod Bike City Plus electric folding bike. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for Mod Bikes. Use code SHREDDY, get $100 off your order. If Mod Bikes isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick overview. Then we're going to be hopping over to some speed tests, hill tests, and terrain tests. So let's get started on the overview. The Mod City retails for $2,190. The unboxing and assembly was an easy process. All I had to do was put on the front fender, front wheel with quick release, the front rack, and the rear snap-on passenger seat. It's got a high-performance foldable 6061 aluminum frame. The battery is a lithium-ion LG 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour battery. The battery is also removable. Right here we have a 500-watt geared hub motor with a 750-watt peak. They also use nylon gears sandwiched with metal gears, so it's going to be a lot more durable. They claim a max torque of up to 60 Newton meters. They claim a range of up to 45 miles and a top speed of 28 miles an hour. Right here we have a Mod Bikes S3 smart color display with USB port. Right here we have Mozo forks with 50 millimeters of travel with preload and lockout. And for our stopping power, we have hydraulic disc brakes with 180 millimeter rotors with dual piston calipers. And right here we have 20 by 35 millimeter double walled rims with a multi-terrain Kenda K-Shield 20 by 3 inch tire with a reflective sidewall. And right up here we have a LT Woo 7-speed trigger shifter. Down here we have a Welgo foldable aluminum pedal. The crank is a 52 tooth with double-sided aluminum bash guards, so you can definitely pedal at higher speeds, with a Shimano Alta 7-speed derailleur. And we also have an adjustable stem up here with a quarter twist thumb throttle. These are going to be your controls. We have front and rear fenders, and for the pedal assist, you do have a torque sensor. The saddle is a Cellar Royal saddle with really nice soft top on it, so it's going to be really good for your biscuits. It also has a suspension seat post. Right here we have a really bright LED front headlight and a rear tail light. We also have rear passenger pegs. And right here is the Mod Bikes front snap-on bracket. Comes standard and allows riders to easily connect our snap-on front basket or front rack. It comes with this Lumos helmet that you can actually connect it to your bike with Bluetooth. It activates turn signals directly from the bike's control panel. You can wirelessly sync the bike's brake light. The helmet also turns off automatically when the bike is powered off. I'm gonna show you guys how to quickly set up your Lumos helmet to connect it. So what you're gonna do first is turn on your helmet by long pressing the button until you see the blinking yellow lights. So now it's in a pairing mode. Then you're gonna wanna go to your display, hit the plus and minus, go into setup, go to bind helmet, then you see bind new helmet, click I there. Once it's bound, you're gonna wanna go back out of the menu, and then you're gonna see the helmet icon on there. And check it out, we hit the brake light, there you go. How cool is that, guys? Overview is done, let's get started on the speed test. Let's get the bike on with the middle button. Display is on. Ooh, hold on, let's take this off. There we go. Nice clean display. We're gonna start off in turbo, throttle only. Then I'll stop, lock out the suspension, and try to pedal faster than what we get on throttle only. All right, since I don't have my phone mount, I'm gonna be holding it in my hand for these speed tests. Not the safest, but I'll do this for you guys in e-bike science. All right, here we go. In turbo mode, and wow, the takeoff is really good on this bike. The motor sounds nice and quiet. Wow. There's a limiter right there, okay. So I think we're probably gonna get 28 miles an hour with pedal assist. So it looks like 20.5 miles an hour with throttle only on the highest speed. Let's get up to gear 7 and start pedaling it. Then we'll lock out the suspension after this. Let's see if we can reach 28 miles an hour on it. I'm pedaling the hardest, guys. I'm pedaling so hard. All right, there it is, 26 on the dot. Woo, let's see if we can hit at least 27 miles an hour on this thing. At least 27. I'm gonna lock out the suspension. Lock that sucker out. All right, here we go. All locked out. Pedal assist only. Here we go. Oh yeah, the pickup on this thing is great. Jeez, 500-watt motor. Come on, 27. Come on, 27. There it is, 27. Can I do 28? Oh, the legs are done already. I'm wondering if there's a way to get into the display and unlock 28 miles an hour throttle only. The torque sensor feels awesome. It's literally giving me what I'm pushing out. So I can actually start pedaling really slow. And it's really light assist. The harder I push, hear that motor getting louder? That's awesome. That's what I love about a torque sensor. All right, guys, let's put it in sport. Let's see what our top speed is with pedal assist. Not gonna use throttle because we already know throttle is only 20 miles an hour. About 21.7. I keep on hearing that limiter kick in. All right, guys, let's check cargo mode, top speed. All pedal assist because we know the throttle only takes us to 20 miles an hour. Looks to be about 22 miles an hour. Down to eco, around 15.5 miles an hour on eco mode, and fit mode seems to be about 9.5 to 9.8 miles an hour. We did figure out how to unlock the bike, so we're gonna show you guys how to do it now. So first you're gonna turn on the bike by long pressing the I button in the middle. Passcode is gonna be 2020. Then it'll bring you to this menu, and where you see the off-road mode, make sure you go right down to there, hit the middle button to turn it on, go back, and now we should be totally unlocked. The top speed with throttle only should be about 27 to 28 miles an hour, but there's one more thing I gotta show you guys. Here's another hidden menu. So turn on the bike normally, you're gonna hold the plus and minus button, then you're gonna get into this menu where it says setup. Get into there. Right here you can adjust riding modes, and for the assist level on turbo mode, 24 amps is the most you can push out of the controller, so that's gonna give you the most acceleration. All right, guys, let's check the top speed with throttle only. We're gonna go all the way to turbo mode. I did fully charge a battery, so we have a totally fully charged battery. I can definitely tell it has a little more torque than it did before with that off-road mode and me pushing more amps. There you go, we passed 20 miles an hour there. 25, come on, 27. Looks like 25.7 is gonna be our top speed on throttle only. Not bad at all. I figured we'd hit about 28 miles an hour. Whoa. All right, next, we're gonna test out a little bit of hill climbing. Let me get my suspension back because Shreddy loves suspension. Oh my God. This thing does pretty awesome off-road. Come on, 500 watts, 60 newton meters of torque. Oh, okay. We got about almost all the way up. I'm keeping it in turbo mode, but we're gonna use pedal assist in gear 1 to try to get straight up it. And I'm gonna stay seated. I'm gonna see if I can stay seated and pedal up this. I did have to push really hard, but that's like super steep. All right, throttle only. Let's get a little bit of speed. Oh no, and we stuck. We're gonna pedal our hardest and still in turbo mode. Hopefully I don't get any flat tires. Oh, that was a lot easier there. All right, guys, we're gonna try to see what it feels like with Dee on the back seat of this bike. So we're gonna see if it has enough power to pull us around. Dee's about 5'2", so you can see she's reaching the floor pretty easy on the back there. And I'm about 5'11", 150 pounds. So Dee's what, like $110. So we got 260 pounds on this bike, and we're gonna see how it handles. We are in the turbo mode, so we've got full power on this bike right now. And so far, it feels like it is pulling us pretty easy on this.
It's really smooth over the rocks.
Yeah, it feels like you can have at least 2 kids on the back if you had the longer seat. Not bad. I got the seat suspension post on the back here, and it's actually feeling pretty good. And the front fork is working well too on this terrain. We're gonna go up this little baby hill, see if it can pull us. Oh, it made it. Pretty impressive so far. Yeah, I like the turbo mode on this. With a freaking folding bike, we're carrying 2 people on this. This is great. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a group ride like this.
It's so much fun.
And the frame feels really easy to kind of dip and kind of carve and weave around with. Let's see how it jumps. Oh, it jumps nice and soft. Yes. I'm stopping right now to show you guys that I can raise up the stem a little bit, make it a little bit more comfortable riding position. Oh yeah, way more comfortable sitting like this. And as I told you guys earlier, this bike does have nylon gears sandwiched with metal gears on the outside, so the motor is going to be a lot stronger than a lot of other e-bikes out there. I gotta say, guys, this is one of the stealthier bikes we have on the channel. Maybe we'll slap a 3,000 watt motor on the back, 150 amp sine wave controller. What do you guys think? All right, guys, that was definitely a lot of fun riding the Mod City Plus. This thing is awesome. I can't believe how much power it's got. Let's try to get a little burnout. Michael Jackson. I'm Michael Jackson. Let me know what you guys think about the Mod Bike City Plus down in the comments. Is this something you guys could see having with a family, throwing a kid on the back? I mean, the fact that you can actually change out these racks really quick on the fly like that. it makes life so much easier. Definitely a lot of different accessories for this bike, a lot of different options. There's definitely gonna be an option for you. I can't believe it actually pulled both of our weights on this bike at 260 pounds. That's pretty awesome. And it was actually able to maneuver us through different types of terrain and actually get up that hill. If you guys do want to see more content on the Mod Bikes City Plus, definitely drop them in the comments down below. Do you guys want to see some kind of range test on it? I think it's pretty cool, all the different accessories that you can actually put on this. This one did come with the front rack, and they did give me the rear seat that you just snap on. And let me tell you what, having this suspension seat post on the saddle was so comfortable on my biscuits, no complaint here. As always, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Mod Bikes City Plus. Use code SHREDDY, get $100 off your order. If Mod Bikes isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for that subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next mod ride.